Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Joe's secret stash key. Always get explicit permission before searching personal spaces or property. Start by asking calmly, explaining why you need the key, and agreeing on limits. Offer to show you found nothing sensitive and propose a joint search plan. If Joe says no, accept it and explore legal alternatives, like asking for a spare or suggesting a solution that keeps trust intact. When you have permission, look carefully for subtle clues that point to a key's location. Scan shared areas like drawers or boxes for labels, unusual tape, or hidden compartments. Consider clues such as calendar notes, nickname references, or pet names that could be password hints. Keep the search collaborative, communicate what you find, and avoid forcing locks or damaging property. Stay patient and prioritize trust over speed. If direct access is off the table, propose respectful alternatives to handle the situation. Suggest Joe provide a spare key or meet to retrieve needed items together. Offer neutral third-party mediation if trust is strained, or propose secure joint access like a lockbox with agreed rules. For shared finances, recommend digital solutions with permissions. These options preserve relationships while solving practical needs, and they reduce the temptation to take risky or illegal steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.